A lot of shoppers buy something once to try it out, but then they never make it back to subscribe. This is a big missed opportunity and a massive challenge for subscription brands. It's also why I am so happy to announce our next maximizer, Convertible Subscriptions. Convertible subscriptions allow customers to subscribe to one product the first month and then automatically convert to a different product the next month, and so on. This has a ton of use cases. For example, it's especially great if you sell anything with refills. Maybe you sell the scent diffuser and oils in month 1, and then just oils every month going forward. Or you offer pets water dish and filters the first month, and then just the water filters each month going forward. The list goes on. Convertible subscriptions also happen to be a great maximizer, and here's why. Let's take that $59 protein powder you're trying to get people to subscribe to. Maybe shoppers don't convert because they're just not sure if they're going to like the flavor. To fix this, let's make it a convertible subscription. Create a smaller sample size, and we'll offer it for something like $5 plus shipping, and then set it to auto-convert to the full size in month 2 if they don't cancel it. Imagine what that would do to your subscription conversion rates. Everybody wants to try before they buy. Imagine software that didn't have a free trial period. Customers want that for physical subscriptions too. There's just never been an easy way to offer it. Convertible subscriptions are the best way to offer you a try before you subscribe, which removes almost all friction from the initial commitment.